In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your accumulated credits on the Temu app or the Temu website. This straightforward guide will help you seamlessly apply your credits, making your shopping experience more enjoyable and cost-effective. Let's start at the very beginning. First, open the Temu app on your mobile device or visit the Temu website on your computer. Before moving forward, it's important to ensure that you are signed in to the correct account, specifically the one where your credits have been accumulated. This is crucial because only the credits linked to this account can be utilized during your purchase. Next, it's time for the fun part, shopping. Go ahead and add items to your cart. As you browse through various categories, pick out what you wish to purchase. Once you've made your selections, navigate to your cart to review your chosen items. Here, it's a good idea to double-check your selections to ensure everything you want is accounted for. Now, when you're ready to proceed, tap on the checkout option. This action will take you to the payment screen, which is where the magic happens. On this screen, you should look for an option that says something like Use Credits or Apply Account Balance. This feature allows you to apply your available credits to your current order. Depending on the interface, you might find this as a toggle switch or a checkbox. Make sure to turn this option on to use your credits for the purchase. By doing this, you can conveniently deduct the credit value from your order total. After applying your credits, take a moment to review your order one last time. It's vital that your order total reflects the credit deduction before proceeding. This ensures that the credits have been successfully applied. Once everything appears correct and you're satisfied with your order summary, go ahead and tap Place Order to complete the transaction. Now, for a handy tip, if you find yourself regularly using credits on Temu, you might be interested in an auto application feature they offer. This is a convenient option where Temu automatically applies credits to eligible orders. By enabling this feature in your account settings, you won't have to manually toggle the credit application each time you make a purchase. It's all about making the shopping process as seamless and efficient as possible. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize your accumulated credits on Temu to enjoy some savings. Thank you for watching and enjoy your shopping experience on Temu.